Hey everybody, if this works, then you'll be seeing this video. I have this Makita drill that my wife got for me probably 30 years ago, and it is awesome, and it's a 3/8 inch variable speed reversible. It is solid as a rock. I've had it forever. I left it in my pickup truck for an entire year, and it got all kinds of weather and nasty on it, but it still kept working. Finally, 30 years later, you can see the plastic around the trigger has eroded away, and now something I believe is wrong with the switch. It only works in reverse. I just tried it. I won't demonstrate it now, but it only runs in reverse. This is the reverse and forward switch here. So I found on eBay, I ordered a replacement switch, and I have no idea if this is going to solve the problem or not. But I noticed that there were not a lot of, at least English-speaking videos about replacing these things. So if this works, I guess what I'll do is 3 parts. This one to set up the problem, and then while I've got the thing apart, I'll show you the switch replacement and how I did the hookup, and then I'll close it all up and see if it works. So there we have it. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted.